Well, here we are at the beginning of a massive heat wave, and I decided to buy the boys a pool.
Welcome back to Robyn Nest.
Where?
Welcome back to Robyn Nest.
Robyn's Nest?
And welcome back to
The boys are discovering that well water has a tendency to be a little cold. I'm just now filling it up.
Yeah, it's really
This is
cold.
just a temporary stopgap measure.
Left, right, skaters. We're watching left, right, skaters.
We're filling up the pool, and it's already got 3 water striders on it. It didn't take them very long.
Oh, that's freezing.
No, it's not freezing. It's 48 degrees water, though. No. Why don't you get off the ladder? You either get in or get out. I just thought you would appreciate some of the insanity this morning, afternoon. Be amazing. Tomorrow it'll probably be 60 degrees, and then it'll get warmer the next day. But we're going to need a spot for the boys to cool off.
Yeah. Wow.
We're projecting 95 to 100 degrees and very high humidity the next few days. So
It keeps moving.
yes, it does.
It's moving.
Adrian, why don't you sit down in there? Get them, jump off and sit down with your butt on the ground. See what happens. Show everybody you can do it. Sit down. Sit down. All the way down.
It's too cold.
Okay, don't jump off the ladder again, okay?
It says no jumping off right or left. Hey, Aiden, can I come in the water now?
Wait, why don't you let Adrian get out?
Okay.
One person at a time on the ladder.
The ladder's nice.
That water's going to be really cold for the next day or two.
Yeah.
It will warm up, trust me.
Yeah. Because tomorrow's going to be super hot out.
Yep.
Yep. Aiden, come on. This is fun. I'm going to start on the water first, on the ground. You're the best dad ever, Dad.
I'm not the best dad ever, but thank you.
You set up this pool for us today.
All right, boys, my battery's about to die. Why don't you look at the camera and tell everyone bye-bye.
Bye.
Stay safe,
On Robyn's Nest.
stay safe, everyone, and take care of your animals. Bye, y'all.